Hi everyone, this is Zeeshan Usmani. I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful website today. It's called skilledscore.com. In America, we have three credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They give you a score between 300 and 850, and it tells you your financial stability, how well you are in your financial decisions making. If your score is too low, like 300, 400, it means you cannot get a car on installments, you cannot get a house on mortgage. If your score is 700, 700 plus, you can literally walk in with a BMW car with $0 down payment. You can get any house you want. We wanted to apply the same concepts in human skills. Can we quantify human being based on their experience, based on their skills, based on their geography? So this is where how skill score came into being. It's a very extensive work. It took us 3 years to build it. It has 3.5 million lines of code. We have implemented 18,000 world professions from ILO, International Labour Organizations. Mainly the score comes from three things. Number one, your geography, what you know and where you are. You know quantum computing, but you live in a remote village somewhere in Afghanistan or Nairobi. There is no jobs available there, so you'll starve to death. But if you can move with the same skill sets to countries like Australia, New Zealand, or America, clearly you can get a good jobs. So where you are, what is supply and demand? You know Java, but you live in Karachi. There are a million people who knows Java as well. There are only 500 jobs. So how you are going to get this job? So it's all about supply and demand. Second level of scoring comes from how many employable skills you have. You can be a Java developer, you can be a software architect, you can be a YouTuber, you can be a teacher. How many different ways you can make a living? Third one is your future readiness. You are perfectly fine right now doing the job as a content developer, as a blogger, but in few years AI is going to replace you, or in few months perhaps, with ChatGPT and all of the advancements in the LLMs. So how ready you are for the future? So this is a very basic website. You go to this website, you can enroll, you can give your email address, you can enroll for the mailing list. Here is describing you how the whole system works, how we are getting your score, what are different levels, how you can improve it, how you can up a skill. So based on your specific profile, it will search the entire internet with thousands and thousands of course providers and MOOCs providers, and give you what are the courses that will enhance your career. You don't have to do the search. Career counseling, it will give you a complete path, what paths you can take to shift your career towards something else. Job recommendations, like a perfect match. What would be the perfect job for you where you can apply, that you will qualify, and it will enhance your career as well. Everything is automated. You don't have to pay for no career counselor, no academic counselor. You can do it all your own. When you sign up, it shows you your score. You can upload your profile, upload your CV. You can click on right here. You can upload your profile, or you can upload your LinkedIn profile. It will give you your score. So for example, my score is 55. My geographic opportunities is 55. My future readiness is 8. Skill readiness is 78. My combined score is 55. My ILO level is 3 because I have a bachelor's and master's degree. It providing me my complete career summary and my complete career paths. If you click on jobs, it is providing me all of the jobs that I am highly qualified for and I would get it, and it will enhance my career as well. Senior BI analyst, research director, research directors. So you don't have to do searches. It will providing you everything that's available in your geography. So all of the things that I can apply for: living in America, VP artificial intelligence, manager artificial intelligence. If I click on upskill, it's giving me all of the courses that the software things I should take to enhance my career. It has list of courses from all over the world. It's providing me recommended pathways if you want to become a digital marketer or data visualization experts or Python experts. So I can click on this one, and it will give you all of my courses. It's giving you the surveys as well. What is your salary, what is your lifestyle, where you are living. The more data you give to the software, the more better it can serve you. Think of it as a AI bot that's just for you, working for you like a slave. It's finding you all of the best courses for you to enhance your career, finding all of the right opportunities for you, giving you the score to tell you what to do, what not to do. Just one simple thing for all. There are different upgrades available. You can subscribe to this software for $20 a month. Quarterly plan is only for $50, and $150 give you the access for the whole year. while you spend so much money on so many other things, this is your career enhancement tool. Everything under one window. You only need to upload your CV or your LinkedIn profile, and it does the magic for you. I hope you will like it. If there are any comments, recommendations, suggestions, please let us know. That's me, your Zeeshan Usmani, and thank you for watching Skill Score.